Before this video starts, if you enjoy my videos, don't forget to subscribe and turn on those post notifications so you do not miss a video. Maybe even like and comment on my videos. But with that being said, enjoy the video. Welcome back to another video, and as you can tell by the title, today we are doing a 2-in-1 review on some Amazon motorcycle gear. I say that because this is actually, it's for a motorcycle, yes, and while you're on a motorcycle, but it's just ways to help you record while you're on it, because obviously a lot of people cannot record on, or a lot of people cannot afford a GoPro. Therefore, I wanted to see if these secondary options will work. And also said, here we have a strap that basically straps onto your helmet, and you can attach a GoPro to it, right? But like I said, a lot of people can't afford a GoPro. They're like $300-400, especially the new ones. So why not be able to record with your phone? But only GoPros have this type of attachment. Therefore, I found this on Amazon too. You can hold your phone, and it's basically a phone GoPro adapter, so you can attach your phone but use it as if it were a GoPro, because it has the same attachment abilities. First, we're going to take a look at the phone GoPro adapter. So this is from Ulanzi. I'll put a picture of it right here. So basically, this is able to hold your phone and able to attach to GoPro tripods, accessories, anything that has this attachment, and which are mainly GoPros. I was actually really surprised because this is all metal, right? Pretty much everything is metal except for this plastic knob to adjust the width and length of the arm, the rubber on the inside to hold your phone, and this circle notch right here. Everything else is metal. This attachment part is metal, the claws are metal, and it's even spring loaded, as you can see, which I actually really like. And also this screw right here is metal. So here I have a phone case for my Galaxy S9, and also disclaimer, this video is being recorded on my Galaxy S9 because at the time of recording I do not have my new phone yet, but the new phone video will come out before this. Yeah, so have the phone case, and when since I'm getting the new phone, I would actually feel more comfortable with my old phone actually being the camera recording while I'm on the motorcycle. So have the phone case, and this is probably the case I will be running on it too. I also got this from Amazon. It's very durable. This phone and this case has been through a lot. But basically, put it in. Right, obviously it has a spring loader, and then you basically righty tighty, lefty loosey, you screw it. That's pretty tight, right? And it doesn't look bad. I actually really like it. We can do a shake test. Okay, this is just a case, but this case is not going anywhere. Now we're going to bring out the helmet strap. So basically this straps onto the front of your helmet, so you're able to mount a GoPro or any type of camera recording device right in front of it. And it's leveled. It should relatively be leveled with your eyes, so since it's on the front of your helmet, it will be moving around, and the camera view will be as if you're looking around. You get the idea. Now, I'm going to attempt to attach this to the helmet. Alright, so there you go. Got it on. Took me a while because I actually put the straps in the wrong way, but now I got it on, and it's actually pretty tight. I tightened it pretty much, and that's not coming off. I I do not. I would be surprised if this comes off. Obviously, it varies on the tightness. Obviously, tighten it as much as you can. It also comes with an extra strap. So this is all one strap. It just comes all the way. So, right, you have one end, comes all the way through, loops right in there, and then comes back around for the other strap. So it comes with an extra strap, and then there's also the different sized attachments for for any of your needs. So if you want the camera a little up higher, then you would put this one. If you want it lower, all right, here is the footage of the phone being upward. Hard to see on the camera how it comes out. I like it. I kind of like it, right? It's more eye level with me. Looks pretty good. And if I have this down, it doesn't really restrict that much field of view from your eyes, because it's a lot lower. But yeah, it doesn't really restrict that much field of view with your eyes. Obviously, it varies depending on the phone, because obviously if you have a wider phone, it's going to be a lot higher. But with this phone, but also this is like without a case. With this phone without a case, I really like where it is. All right, let's get this one on. All right, there you go. It's on. I literally cannot see at all how it looks. I'm gonna have to look over the footage in the end, but it's on. It's a lot lower. It's hard to say right now just from looking at it. Obviously it restricts no field of view at all because it's down here, but like going, that can be a problem. All this is based on your personal preference, really. So whatever you want to do, it's your choice. I recommend it. I recommend you, like, if you absolutely want to do this, I definitely recommend it. It's way cheaper. All this together was like $30. It's like 15 and then 10, or 15 and 15, whatever. I don't remember. I'll put up the prices right here. But yeah, if you want to do that, then I definitely recommend it. But with that being said, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.